Good students, today we will teach you about some complementary angle, how they change. This question is related on the complementary angles. We solve it. Here question number 1 part sin 18 degree divided by cos 72 degree. Here we can write it's 70 degree 90 degree minus 72 degree, then we get 18 degree. Therefore, we can write the place of 18 degree. On the place of 18 degree, we can write 90 minus 90 degree minus 72 degree. Here, sin 90 degree minus 72 degree. We can write here cos 72 degree. Okay, student. Here, since sin 90 degree minus theta is equal to cos theta, on this basis we solve this. Here we can write cos 72 degree by cos 72 degree. Okay, student. Here cos 72 degree cancel cos 72 degree. We get 1, which is answer. Okay, student. Here solution for this. Here we can write cos 48 degree minus sin. We can write here since 90 degree minus to get 48 degree cos 48 degree. We can write here minus 42 degree, then we get 48 degree. Okay, student. Then we can write here cos 48 degree minus, we can write sin 90 degree minus 40 minus 90 degree minus 48 degree, then we get 48 degree, then we get here we get 42 degree. On these places we can write 90 minus 42 degree. Okay, student. Here we can write cos 48 degree minus cos sin 90 minus theta cos theta. Therefore, we can the place of theta 48 is the place of theta. Therefore, we can write cos 48 degree. Here we can, then we see that cos 48 is positive and same cos 48 degree in negative form. Therefore, cancel both. We can find here 0, which is answer. Okay, student. These types of questions we can solve on this basis. Okay, student. And here I give another questions as which is thus. Which is thus, we can write tan 40 quotient tan 48 degree tan 23 degree tan 42 degree tan 67 degree and tan 42 degree. 42 degree is equal to 1. Solve. So, here solution for this solution, we can write here tan 48 degree, tan 42 degree, arrange this, tan 67 degree and here tan 23 degree is equal to 1. Okay student, here LHS is equal to tan 48 degree, tan 42 degree, tan 67 degree and here tan 23 degree. Okay student, these types of questions we arrange in this form. There is no difference. Here we solve tan 48 degree, then tan we can write here tan 90 degree minus 48 degree. 48 degree. 90 minus 48 is equal to, we get 42. Here 90 minus 48 degree, we get a 42 degree. On this place, 42 degree place, we can write here tan 90 degree minus 48 degree. Okay student, we can write by this method. And here tan 67 degree, we can write here tan 90 degree minus 67 degree, we get 23 degree. 90 minus 67 degree is equal to 23 degree. On this place we can write this. Okay student, here we can write tan 48 degree, tan, here change the value of this, we change the value cot 48 degree. Okay student, here 48 degree and here tan 67 degree, we can write this cot 67 degree by this method. Here this cancel to this, because we can write also here not 48, we can write its opposite tan 48 degree. Okay student, and here tan 67 degree, its opposite 1 by tan 67 degree. Okay student, here this cancel this and this cancel this, we get equal to 1, equal to RHS. Okay student, these types So these types of questions or problem you can solve on this basis. Okay student, next topic I will teach you tomorrow. Okay student, thank all of you.